Vaping Mandycat back here to do a review on a tank. I picked up a tank at Vape Bash from Atomic Vapors, and this is the USA made easy tank, and I picked up the round one. So I wanted to go over that with you in a short review. Here is what it looks like. It fits nice on your mod, nice and flush. It looks nice on your mod. I have a regular standard Bogue in mine with a slit. I'm going to show you the easy fill technique with their tank. So go ahead and take off your drip tip. If you also purchase, this makes it even easier. I recommend this. For $3.99 at Atomic Vapors, they have a Darlin Easy Fill filler tip. Go ahead and plop that in. It's got a 510 connector. Where your drip tip was, it's going to look like this. When you're ready to fill, all you need to do is slide the tank up until the tip is down in there, and you could either fill it with your bottle and it fills all the way to the top, or I like to use these little nipples, slide right down in there and fill the tank up, no problems. What's nice about the filler tip, what it does is it connects to your cartomizer, so you can fill the tank completely full without getting juice into the inside and flooding the cartomizer. Once the tank is full, you simply slide the tank back down. You might have a little juice on here from where you filled it, wipe that off, and then plop that right out. Ooh, slippery booger. There it is. And then you just plop your drip tip back in it. Got my main. And you are ready to vape. No fuss, no muss. I am vaping on some RY4 right now. I actually filled this tank for Brian. These tanks at Atomic Vapors are only $13.99. For that price, you don't get one tank. You get a 3 ml tank, which is on here right now. You also get with it a 5 ml tank without the caps for if you use dual coil. So you get 2 tank sizes plus the caps. Great price for $13.99. If you get the filler tip, another $3.99. Boom. Perfect filling system for your tanks. You can see it wasn't very messy at all. Not a lot of juice on the top. You do have to use something to grab that little tip off, because where you put the juice in, it will have liquid on it, so it's going to be slippery. And that's it. That's simple. How simple can you get? So there you have it. Atomic Vapors, www.atomicvapors.com. Check them out. You can also check me out on Saturdays, 6 p.m. Eastern with Jesse at Total Vaping Network. So TVN, www.totalvapingnetwork.com. Come check out Vaping in Paradise with me and Jesse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.